the use of eye contacts, gestures, and the voice. The eye contacts. The teacher needs to look at the students to notice their reaction and to be in touch of the mood of the class. How can you use eye contacts to ensure that the students understood, to indicate who is to speak, to show a student who is talking and that you are taking notice? Where should you avoid eye contact? During any activity that doesn't demand teacher central control, avoid eye contacts unless you are special for help or choose to join. For example, paired words and group of words. Use of gestures. It is a part of communication where people listen and speak to each other. How does gesture and mimics affect what we do in the classroom? To cover the meaning of language, to manage the class, and to add visual interest. Is there anything to be avoided? Unclear, ambiguous expression, gestures which are not obviously, or gestures which are rude for the students. Should students be encouraged to imitate the teacher's gesture? Of course, the teacher should encourage students to use natural and realistic gestures using the voice. The volume of the voice should be various and the size of the class. It must be natural. How can you use your voice to gain attention? If the students are making noise, the teacher should exaggerate certain characteristics and say, well, can we start? And instead of screaming, the teacher must have an energetic voice and vary of depending of the topic. Don't forget that it is necessary that the teacher learn the name of his student to have a friendly atmosphere. To be easier to learn the names, the teacher must make students introduce themselves. When should you use a student's name? To organize an activity, to indicate who is answer to the question. Thank you.